Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine, and welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am. And for some last days, I was teaching you the preposition, right? And I have given you lots of practice work, and today also I have managed some practice work for you. And after that, I will go for the next lesson in your grammar, in your parts of speech. So for before starting anything else, I am just reading your practice work. If you have to do it, see, match column A and B to complete a meaningful sentence. There is two column A, column B, and there are some sentences written in both, some lines are written in both column, and you have to read the lines and you have to understand by which line you have to combine, right? See, I stand, we chew, the farmer is, the sun rises, he swings, Anandama was written, a new bridge is built. Okay, tilling the field with a plug, across the river, in the east, under a big banyan tree, with our teeth, across the river, by Bankim Chandra. So there are, see, I hope you can see the lines. I hope you can see the lines. If there will be any problem to understand, definitely ask me in comment box, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 7 lines in both column. You have to understand by which you have to combine. Okay, so this is one kind of practice work from preposition. Okay, then another work I have made for you. This is the same, fill in the blanks with proper preparation. Before it I have given you the examples, options, but today you don't get any option. See, you have to do by yourself. See, first, I am going dash Nepal for a few days. There was a big crowd dash the shop. I hurt, H-U-R-T, I hurt myself. I fell dash my cycle. The car is waiting dash the traffic lights. There is a tea stall dash the mountain. Someone pushed Rihanna dash the swimming pool. Improve your running dash the wickets. There are 2 bridges dash the Ganges near Calcutta. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See, wait. I hope you can see the page. If you have any problem to understand, then definitely ask me. You can pause your video and you can take a picture of this work. See, I am zooming the page. See, A B C D E F G H. Okay, so complete this task and send it to the comment box. And thank you for the last day. Many of the students has done their homeworks. I'm very pleased. So today I will start the next lesson. This is conjunction. Parts of speech you have already started, and preposition is one of them, and conjunction is another part. What is conjunction? You can see the name conjunction, you can understand there is some matter of joining. Okay, a conjunction is a word which connects or joins 2 sentences together. Okay, how? See, I have written 2 sentences. Ram goes to school, Sham goes to school. There you can see both of the person are doing same work. Okay, So you can write like this also. Ram and Sam go to school. Here you have to put two name, okay, and you have to connect this two name by one word, and. See, and is the word which connects or which joins two sentences in one, two sentences together in one. So definitely you can say this is conjunction. Conjunction means which word joins two sentence together, two sentence in one, that is conjunction. See, I have written the definition. A conjunction is a word which connects or joins two sentences. Okay, see the more examples you can understand easily. Babu is a good footballer. Somak is a good footballer. See, when you see that in the both sentences there are some different people, but the different peoples are doing the same work. Different people are doing the same work, then you can use and. Whenever you will add that or join that two sentences, you can use and. See, I have written Babu and Somak both are a good footballer. About Babu and Somak, about both of them, same thing is telling. So whenever you will see that same thing is telling about two person, you can put and. But see, sometimes, see the examples. You must sit down. You must leave the room. Both of the sentences are telling about you, one person. You must sit down, you must leave the room. That means you is a main person about whom both of these work are telling. You must sit down, at least you have to sit down or you have to leave the room. Means both of the work are telling about the same person. So in the same time, one person can't do both things. Suppose I am telling you, take your food and go to bed. Take your food, go to bed. So both of the work can you do in one particular time? So in that particular time, you have to do any one of this. Either you have to sit down or you have to leave. So, right? Definitely you can understand already. I have given you the answer. So you is a common people. So whenever you will see there is a person that is a common in both sentences and there are two works. So you have to understand in the same time you can't do the both works. You have to do any one. So there you can use or. See, you must sit down or you must leave the room. Definitely you have to do any one out of these two, right? See some more example. The boy is poor. The boy is honest. Both of the work is telling about the boy. So you can tell them, so we can use and. Definitely you can use and, but here and is not prompt, not proper. Why? See, I have written the boy is poor but the boy is honest. You can see I have given the conjunction but is also conjunction, or is conjunction, but is conjunction. There are some more examples of conjunction. I will tell you the more examples. Before that I am giving you the meaning. See, the boy is poor, the boy is honest. The both work is telling about the boy. The boy is poor but he is also honest. Maybe sometime you can see there are some poor people. Don't take it by personalize. Please, I am not telling these examples about any particular person, about not any man, about not any kinds of person whom you know. Not like that. I am giving you just example. Don't take it other way. I am telling, suppose there are some poor people. You can see there are some poor people's, their habits are some stowing dishonestly, right? Sometimes you can see there is some poor people and he is a thief. Okay, so if anyone is thief, if anyone is stealing something, that means he is not an honest person. Okay, so you can't tell he is an honest person. But suppose sometime you will see that some poor people, some poor person is there, but he is not doing any mistake in his life, right? So in that case you can say yes, he is honest. Okay, so that is why you can write like this: the boy is poor but he is honest, but the boy, he is honest. Okay, this two work is telling about a similar person, but you have to understand the meaning also. Okay, so there are some examples of conjunction I have written, but there are lots of examples. See, as, because, as, where you put as I am ill, I am not going to school. Okay, there is showing some reason. Because is also, he didn't go to school because he was ill. Okay, as and because there these words are showing reason. Whenever you can see there is some reason, you can put as or because. A little bit different between these two words. In as, you have to start the line by as. Okay, and after one sentence completing, you have to put comma, then you have to write the another sentence. Or, I have already given you the example. When you see the both are people, one person is doing both work in one time, you can put or. But you have already see the uses of but, and you have seen the uses of and. Okay, there are some two people who are doing the same work, then you can put and. If you read well, you can get a better result. You can understand the uses of if. So, though, except, either or, neither nor, therefore, till, until, yet. Till, until, till. You have to wait here until I will come. You have to wait here till I will come. Except. What is the use of except? You can understand. Either or. See, in this line you can use this. Either you must. No, in this line you can't use. There are lots of examples. I will give you the example. Suppose you are telling either you will go to school or you will go to music class. Okay, you can see like example. And either word, by either this word you have to start the line, you have to begin the line. Okay, either or is a affirmative word, neither nor is a negative word. Whenever you will see in the examples, in the sentences, there is not is already included, you have to put neither nor. And similarly you have to start by neither, and whenever you will start by neither, you have to omit the inside not. Okay, I will give you the examples, don't worry. Therefore, till, until, yet, etc. There are lots of examples of a conjunction. I have written a few examples. Okay, so today I will give you a more practice work from conjunction. There is nothing. They just identify the conjunction. You have to identify the underline the conjunction. They waited till we arrived. My father will be angry if I do not obey him. As he was tired. See, I have told you as you have to start by as, and you have to put one comma after completing one sentence, and then you have to write the second sentence. Okay. Tom runs faster than William. Is the news true or false? Also, you have to identify the conjunction and you have to underline the conjunction. Okay, so do this practice work and do this also and send it to comment box, and If there will be any problem to understand, you can ask me in comment box, and you can pause this video and you can take a picture of this. But if there will be any problem to understand any line or any handwriting writing, you can ask me in comment box. Okay, but definitely do is and send it to the comment box. Thank you so much, and keep watching my video and wait for the next day. Okay, thank you so much.